In this video, we will learn how to create a dramatic effect, how to give your ambient, how to give your environment a dreamy look. Just like this from this. So let's get started. Okay, first copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and Z, and now we need to change the mode. So for this, just go to the image and then mode and and mode and select lap color. And here select don't flatten. It's pretty simple. Now go to the channels. Now here you'll find the 4 layer: lap, lightness, A layer and B layer. Just select the B layer and press Ctrl and A to select all. And now press Ctrl and C to copy. And now click on the A layer and press Ctrl and V to paste. And now select the lab layer to activate the all layers. Look at this, look at the drama, it's already done. Now press Ctrl and D to deselect. Now come back to the layers and change the mode to RGB color and select don't flatten again. It's already look dreamy, right? Look at the before and after, it looks great. And now go to the selective color. And here select a red. Let's try with this slider. Okay, I want to increase the red just a little bit. Just a little, so I'm giving +6. It's looking good. And for the yellow, not too much, I think +11 for yellow. That looks good. And I think I should go with the negative. So I'm giving -7 for black in case of red. That looks good. Look at this was the before and this is after. It creates just a little bit reddish look. It's perfect. Now I want to fix the subject, the woman. It looks little bit underexposed, so we need to brighten up. Okay, I will do it in camera raw. You can do it in brightness and contrast layer also, and then mask it. But I prefer to do it in camera raw because I need to do some color grading also. So do it in camera raw. We need to merge all these 3 layers into a single layer. For this, just press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus E and look at the layer 2. And now just convert it to a smart object. And now open it with camera raw filter here. Just pretty simple. Okay, I want to brighten up the subject. So for this, I am picking the adjustment brush from here and just I need to just paint over the subject just like this. Okay, I want to increase the exposure, so I'm giving, I think, a 0.5 is good. It's already exposed. Okay, and I also want to increase the shadows just a little. I think 15 looking good. And now just paint on her. Adjust the brush and paint. I think now it looks good. Okay, now come back to the basic option and I want to decrease the highlights. I think +12 looks good to me, and I want to increase the texture. +6 for texture, and also I want to increase the vibrance. +33 for vibrance. It looks great. And now coming to the curves and create a point here, and one is here, and click on this point and drag it to the up. I think, yeah, it looks fine to me. It looks great. Okay, that's perfect. Now coming to the luminance panel, and I want to increase the luminance of orange just a little. So I think +9 for orange. It looks good. And then come into the detail option, and I want to add some color noise reduction. I think 15 looks good. Okay, that's fine. Now let's see the before and after. Look at this, it looks more natural now. It looks good. and now press OK. So it's done. Look at the before and after. This was the before and this is after. It looks great. Okay, now create a new layer. I want to add some light in this area and pick a brush, pick a soft brush, and I want to pick an orange color, just like this, and then just a click and change the blending mode to screen. Now press Ctrl and T and resize it and reposition it. So I think it looks fine. Look at this. Well, let's see the overall before and after. This was the before and this is after. It looks great. So this is a pretty simple tutorial. This is a very easy tutorial. You can give a dreamy look in your portrait. So I hope you love this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.